I just hope in the other match don't have some strange goals like we had yesterday, which is not good for the Premier League.
This is Jampel Fan with some news update, some off-season news update for those in Montego Bay United, especially coach Neider Dos Santos is leaving Montego Bay United. The club made the announcement on their Instagram page yesterday stating, "We want to advise that coach Neider Dos Santos will not be returning to Montego Bay United for the 2024-2025 season. We are grateful for his dedication and contribution to the team over the years. We will announce the replacement shortly." Dos Santos' second stint in charge of Mobe outfit actually began in March of last year after the club fired Donovan Duque. This past season, the club actually started very slowly, with Dos Santos looking a bit frustrated, often asking for reinforcement or often stating the need for reinforcement, which eventually came or finally came in the January transfer market when the likes of Turtleman Gordon and Fletcher came in to help boost the overall quality of Montego Bay United. The injection of quality proved to be immense as the team eventually went on to finish 7th in the table with 43 points, only missing out on the playoffs to Waterhouse on goal difference. I just want to say it's a bit sad that the coach of Santos that returning. I felt that he brought some form of different intellect or some form of different tactics to our Jamaican Premier League, which overall boosts the quality of what we see on the pitch. I also felt, just like most neutrals or fans of Montego Bay United, that the way they were playing towards the last stretches of the season, a lot of people were really looking forward to how they will look on the pitch come the start of the 2024 season. That's a shame. Of course, they did state that they will announce a replacement soon, so it's not like they probably have somebody in mind. And a lot of the fans are already hoping and praying that that replacement will go to coach Teagat Davis, the former Arne coach who led them to the regular season championship 2 seasons ago. So the other, of course, big news as well is that Dos Santos this season had a trio of Brazilian players with him. The captain, number 10, Jordan Claudio, was fantastic. They also had Lucas Lima in the midfield, and of course, goalkeeper Ferreira was very steady at the back. So the question is, of course, is that will these three Brazilians, follow their Brazilian coach out the door? No word on that yet, but boy, to be honest, it kind of don't look likely, but hopefully they remain, and again, they provide an overall burst of quality for Montego Bay and the league. So let us see how it goes. But yeah, guys, this is a quick all-season update for you Montego Bay United fans or the neutrals who love our Montego Bay United play in the last part of the season. Of course, Dos Santos once again is not returning. This was his second stint actually, so he may come back eventually down the line, but he's gone for now. Let us see who will come back as coach. Will you want Paul Teagat Davis back in the league as Montego Bay United coach? Let me know in the comment section below. Or somebody else you want to see come back there. Maybe with the Brazilian link up, they can get De Oliveira, who was at Chapitan Maroons, into the club. Who knows? But anyway, that's it all here at Jampel Fan. That is what's going on at Montego Bay United. And if you're new here, please like, subscribe, and share as we keep you updating what's going on in the off-season of the JPL. Otherwise, for all things Jamaican Premier League, you're already at the right place, Jampel Fan. YouTube, big up yourself.